This video demonstrates the installation process of Solis S6 split-phase low-voltage hybrid inverter. Attention! Electrical equipment can only be installed and maintained by qualified electrical technicians. Please read the user manual before installation and check whether the accessories in the box are complete. The inverter is heavy. Please pay attention to personnel safety during handling and installation. Please install the inverter in a safe location that meets the requirements for easy ventilation and heat dissipation, and avoid direct sunlight. When the inverter is running, there may be risks of high temperature and high voltage. Please install the inverter in a location that is not easily accessible. Install the mounting bracket. This video demonstrates the bracket installation method, and the actual installation should be adjusted according to the specific working conditions. Appropriate space should be reserved around the inverter. Please install the inverter vertically. After determining the installation position of the back hanging plate, fix the back hanging plate to the mounting bracket with fixing bolts. Tighten the bolt with the socket. Fix the four corners of the back plate in the same way. Mount the inverter. Align the inverter with the hooks on the mounting plate and hang it. Screw the fixing screws included in the package into the fixing holes. Inverter installation completed. Grounding cable connection. Connect the ground wires crimped with OT terminal to the ground point on the side of inverter. DC side connection. Please use a multimeter to measure the open circuit voltage of the PV strings. Distinguish the positive and negative poles. Ensure the DC voltage is within the allowable range marked on the nameplate of the inverter. Please refer to Solis demonstration video for making of DC connection cable. When the solar module is exposed to the sun, high voltage will appear on the DC wire. Do not touch the DC wire. Before connecting the inverter, please ensure that the open circuit voltage of the photovoltaic string does not exceed the limit of the inverter. The solar modules connected to the same MPPT must have the same specification, the same orientation, and the same inclination. When you hear a click sound, it indicates that the connection is fastened. Battery connection. This product is compatible with the battery modules shown in the table. This installation uses a Pylon US 3000 lithium battery. For battery installation, please refer to the battery manufacturer's instructions to install the battery. Unscrew the screws and remove the cover. Thread the battery cable through bat on bottom of the inverter. Connect one end of the battery cable to the corresponding port and connect the other end to the battery end. AC side connection. Unscrew the waterproof connector. Thread the load side cable through backup at the bottom of the inverter. Access the backup L1, L2 pay corresponding ports. Similarly, thread the grid side cable through the bottom grid of the inverter. Access the corresponding ports of grid L1, L2 pay. Communication connection. Unscrew the waterproof connector. Thread the communication cable through the COM1 at the bottom of the inverter. One end is connected to the BMS port. The other end is connected to the battery communication port. Install CT1 on L1 and CT2 on L2 at the system grid connection point. The CT arrow should point to the grid. Connect the white wire of CT1 to pin 1 and the black wire to pin 2. Connect the white wire of CT2 to pin 3 and the black wire to pin 4. Close the protective cover and tighten the 4 screws. If you select the Solis data logger, please connect it to the COM port at the bottom of the inverter. Power on commissioning. Please visually check first to make sure all cables are connected properly. You can pull the cable lightly to confirm that the cable connection is tight. Close the battery switch and AC circuit breaker. Close the DC switch. If the DC input voltage is greater than the startup voltage of the inverter will start up. Log into Soliscloud app. You can download Soliscloud APP by scanning the QR code on the quick installation manual. Turn on Bluetooth switch on your mobile phone, and then open the Soliscloud APP. Click More Tools. Local Operation. Connect with Bluetooth. Select the serial number of the inverter. If you are the installer, please select the account type as installer. If you are the plant owner, please select the account type as owner. Then set your own initial password for control verification. Remember the password you set, which you will need to enter the next time you log in. Quick settings. Set the inverter date and time. You can set to follow phone time. Set the battery type. If there is no battery connected for the moment, please select no battery to avoid alarms. It must be based on the battery model that is actually connected to the inverter. For lithium battery, please select lithium battery and the according model. For lead acid battery, please select lead acid. For lithium battery without communication, select the 48 volts or 51.2 volts lithium battery. Set meter is CT. CT is used by default and CT ratio is to 1000 by default. If you install the meter, please select meter. Set grid code. The default grid code is custom 50. Users can select the grid code according to the local country standard. Set the storage mode. Default to self-use mode. Users can choose different working modes according to their actual needs, including selling first mode and off-grid mode. To allow power export to the grid, need to enable Allow Export. And set the max export power to limit the max power export to the grid.